There's the breakup to daily routine. Gods get comfortable doing the same thing day in, day out. Only make mistakes. See it, you have to be ready. You have to have the entire plan already in place before you know how you're going to get out of jail. Escaping's easy. The hardest part is
I'm sorry for laughing at you. Don't bite me. Huh.